So how does your skin work? Skin is the most outer layer of our body and protects us from the external environment, and that is why it's extremely important to be kept healthy. What roles does skin have so that it balances the inner environment to the outer environment? Protection against germs, chemical, UV sunlight, and all the pollutants outside. Now, it doesn't allow all of these to penetrate inside, and that's why it's a protective shield to our own skin. Next is the regulation of the temperature. Maybe you're staying in a very cold place, and that is why the skin actually contacts all the pores, doesn't allow the body heat to go out. In the same way, if you're living in a very hot and humid climate, the skin opens its pores, expands, and that's how all your sweat and all is released out, keeping your body cool. So regulation of temperature is a very crucial function of the skin. Another important role of skin is to feel the sensation. So your touch, temperature, and pain. Whenever we feel extremes on our skin, we have a reflex mechanism in our body, and that is the role of the skin to detect the sensations of the temperature. Through the open pores on the skin, the absorption happens and the excretion happens. Whenever we are doing facials or any kind of treatment like mesotherapy or microneedling, through the pores of the skin, we want the products to get absorbed, and at the same time, it can also release the toxins through the sweat. So absorption and excretion through the skin happens, and that is also one of the most important sanitization. In fact, it has a sanitization effect on the skin. Sunlight falling on the skin, your vitamin D production is important, not only for the skin, the bones, building up all your calcium in the body, but also at the same time building up the immunity of the body. So these are the main 5 functions which we are talking about of the skin, and you cannot overlook. But how does it really matter to you? Now, keeping skin healthy, that means keeping all these 5 roles of the skin intact. We want all of these to be functioning not only for the surface, but also our entire internal environment responds to the skin, and that is how we are protected from the outer environment. So keeping skin clean is extremely important so that you do not break out. If you break out, means there's opening on the skin and there's infection or germs can penetrate. Second is keeping the skin hydrated all the time so that our lipid barrier is intact, which is like a gate to the skin, and that is why keeping skin moisturized is equally important. Third is not allowing the sun rays to penetrate in. That's why your sunscreen comes into the picture. So if we actually keep all the gates closed, keep it more healthy and robust, our skin defense will be at the most, as our skin will work towards the best of all these 5 roles which it has to perform. And this all leads to a wellness feel. Like if you have a good skin, then you have confidence, and that talks a lot about your self-wellness.